Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Claude with Monday.com. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to click on the bottom left hand side and you need to select settings. From here you're going to choose connectors. You're going to select browse connectors. And here you are going to use the search bar to find Monday.com. You're going to select Monday.com, and all you have to do really is to click on connect. You're going to log in, authorize the software, and that's it. That's how easy it is to connect Monday.com with Claude. Before you get started, scroll down and go under tools. So here Claude is basically giving you a list of all its capabilities, essentially how Claude can work together with Monday.com. So you can see many things here: delete item, get board items by name, create item, create update, create workflow instructions, and a lot more things. And from here, you can also have a conversation with Claude and you can find more opportunities in how you can work with Monday.com. That's all for this video. That's how you can connect Claude to Monday.com. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.